Good day everyone, welcome back to this new video. I'm really excited to share with you a gift I just received, and it is from YouTube. Well, it was a huge surprise that I got a gift from them. I will tell you how I ended up getting this little gift, and let's unbox it together after the intro. Let's go! To be honest, it felt pretty random. I was scrolling through my phone late at night and by chance I checked my emails, of course, and 5 minutes earlier I had received an email from YouTube about their High Five event. The email mentioned some cool benefits like a voucher or limited edition merch from YouTube. All I had to do was request the merch since they were limiting it to 1000 units, and it was like first come, first serve. And of course I wondered if it was a scam, so I did some research. On Reddit, the opinions were split. Some people thought it was a scam, while the other said it was legit. But fortunately I found a few YouTubers who had made some videos about this event, so I decided to give it a shot, and now here it is. But before we unbox this, I want to say that the reason some people might not have heard about this event is that it's possibly a little motivational push from YouTube for smaller creators like me. At least that's my guess. Whatever the reason, it worked. I feel honored, so thank you YouTube for this little boost of motivation. But yeah, let's talk about the box itself. Well, there you can see it is just a box. Feels very sturdy, but I'm more interested in the inside of the box, so let's open it. Well, oh, there you can see already 2 cards. This one is have fun. Well, and well, this is all the specs of the neon light. Here you can see. Very nice. Okay, next one is the High Five card, and it is just from YouTube saying thank you for being a YouTube creator for so long. And there you can see it is in German, but the content is the same, like thank you for everything and so on. Well, let's continue, and here we go. This is the neon light from YouTube, but I promise for the next time when I get another package from YouTube, it's gonna be the silver button. Well, yeah, but it's a long path, I know. Okay, and what's under this? Another card? Well, now let's see. So it's already the 3rd card. Well, but it's empty, so a little bit useless. Okay, next one. Here's the cable, the charging cable, and well, it's not USB-C. Yeah, but I didn't expect that, so everything is fine. Okay, let's take it out. Well, it's a bit difficult. Oh, I got it. Alright, well, it looks like this. Let's try to screw it in. Oh, you don't even have to do this. This just stick it in and it should work then, I guess. Well, let's take this out, and here we go. Wow, it really looks like an award, isn't it? Well, and yeah, I would say it also feels really sturdy, but the most important thing is to try it out. Let's go. But here, the cable, and then we can start it. Oh, I just realized I can't press the button itself. It's more of a touch sensor, I guess. Well, let's see. Oh, by the way guys, here is a handy feature of the light that is very useful for video filming. By holding down the power button, you can adjust the brightness, either dimming or brightening the light. Here you can see, I'm now dimming, and well, it's actually too low, so I brighten it up. Very cool and minimalistic feature, I think. Nice job, YouTube. This neon light definitely has a spot in my videos now, and next time if I receive another package from YouTube, I hope it is the silver play button. But it is still a long journey to this goal. But I'm committed to share more high quality videos with you all. If you enjoyed this video and want to support me in reaching the next milestone, don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. It's all for free. And yeah, that's it. I guess it's time to say goodbye again. See you in the next video. Thanks a lot and see you next time.